Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive under pressure, while others crumble at the slightest challenge? The secret often lies in one powerful principle: embracing discomfort. Good morning. It all starts with that first step. Embracing discomfort means rising early, even when you'd rather stay in bed. It's about recognizing that true growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Take running, for example. The initial steps can be painful, your muscles ache, your breath shortens, but with each stride, you're not just covering distance, you're building resilience, strength, and discipline. This is where real progress begins. A cold shower may seem like a small thing, but it's a perfect metaphor for life's bigger challenges. It shocks your system, jolts you awake, and forces you to adapt. Over time, what was once uncomfortable becomes invigorating. This daily practice builds mental toughness, preparing you for larger adversities. At work, embracing discomfort means tackling the hardest tasks first. It's diving into projects that stretch your abilities and push your limits. It's in these moments of challenge that your skills are sharpened, your knowledge expanded, and your confidence built. Social discomfort is another area ripe for growth. Introducing yourself to strangers, speaking up in meetings, or networking at events can be daunting. But each interaction enhances your communication skills, broadens your network, and opens doors to new opportunities. Reflecting on your experiences and setting goals is crucial. Acknowledge the discomfort, but also recognize the growth it brings. Write down what you've learned and how you've improved. This practice reinforces your progress and sets the stage for future challenges. Embracing discomfort is a continuous journey. It's about consistently choosing the harder path, knowing that it leads to greater rewards. It's studying late into the night, lifting that extra weight, and learning new skills, even when it feels overwhelming. The discomfort you face today is the strength you'll have tomorrow. Each challenge conquered builds a more resilient, capable, and successful you. Don't shy away from discomfort. Embrace it. Seek it out. Let it be the driving force that propels you ahead of the crowd. Remember, growth begins at the edge of your comfort zone. Are you ready to step up? Here is the number one point: is mindfulness practices. Imagine a world where no matter what happens, you remain calm, composed, and in control. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful Stoic principles: controlling your reactions. This ancient wisdom can help you get ahead of 98% of people and lead a more fulfilling life. Life is full of unexpected challenges and stressors, whether it's a traffic jam, a critical comment from a coworker, or an unexpected change in plans. How you react to these events can make all the difference. Marcus Aurelius, a prominent Stoic philosopher, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Let's break down how you can harness this power. First, understand that you can choose your response. When faced with a stressful situation, take a moment to breathe deeply. This simple act helps to calm your nervous system and gives you a brief pause to think before reacting. Deep breathing activates your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for rational thinking and decision-making. By engaging this part of your brain, you can respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Next, practice reflection. After an event has occurred, take time to reflect on it. Journaling can be a powerful tool here. Write down what happened, how you reacted, and how you could have responded differently. This helps you learn from each experience and prepares you for future situations. Another important aspect is seeking wisdom. Read books and learn from others who exemplify calmness and composure. The more knowledge you gain, the better equipped you'll be to handle life's challenges. Visualization is also a key technique. Mentally rehearse how you would like to react in stressful situations. By visualizing yourself remaining calm and composed, you train your mind to act this way in real-life scenarios. Meditation is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. Regular meditation helps you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to observe them without immediate reaction. This increased self-awareness is crucial for controlling your reactions. Remember, the goal is not to suppress your emotions, but to manage them effectively. Acknowledge how you feel, but choose to respond in a way that aligns with your values and long-term goals. By controlling your reactions, you become more resilient, more focused, and more in control of your life. This Stoic principle can set you apart and propel you toward success. Here is the number 2 point: is mindfulness practices. Today, we're diving into a crucial Stoic principle that can transform your life, focusing on what you can control. Life is full of uncertainties, challenges, and events beyond our control. But according to Stoic philosophy, the key to a peaceful and productive life is to shift your focus away from these uncontrollable aspects. Think about your daily life. There are countless things that happen around you: traffic jams, the weather, other people's opinions and actions. These are all external events that you cannot control. The Stoics teach us that while we can't control these external events, we have full control over our internal responses. This shift in focus can lead to profound changes in our mindset and overall well-being. Here are some practical steps to help you focus on what you can control. Step 1. Identify what you can control. Start by making a list. Divide a page into 2 columns: a hat, I can control, and what I can't control. Be honest with yourself and write down everything that comes to mind. You'll often find that the list of things you can control is much shorter, but more impactful. Step 2. Shift your mindset. Shift your mindset from dwelling on the uncontrollable to embracing the controllable. This involves constant practice and self-awareness. When you catch yourself worrying about something outside your control, gently remind yourself to let it go and focus on what you can change. Step 3. Take action on the controllables. Taking action on what you can control is empowering. Focus on your efforts, attitudes, and choices. Whether it's improving your skills, managing your time better, or maintaining a positive attitude, these are within your control and can significantly impact your life. Step 4. Accept and let go. Acceptance is a core Stoic practice. Acknowledge that there are things you cannot change and let go of the desire to control them. This acceptance brings inner peace and reduces stress. Step 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive aspects of what you have control over. Regularly reflecting on what you're grateful for can enhance your perspective and help you appreciate the present moment. By focusing on what you can control, you align your life with Stoic wisdom, leading to greater clarity, peace, and productivity. Remember, the power lies within you to choose your response to any situation. Here is the number 3 point: is mindfulness practices. Gratitude. It's a simple yet profoundly powerful concept. Practicing gratitude can transform your life, shift your mindset, and bring immense joy and fulfillment. Today we'll explore how to practice gratitude in detail and why it can help you get ahead of 98% of people. Firstly, let's understand what gratitude is. Gratitude is recognizing and appreciating the good things in your life. It's about acknowledging the positives, no matter how small they may seem. Start your day with gratitude. Each morning, take a few minutes to reflect on what you're thankful for. It could be the warmth of your bed, the aroma of your morning coffee, or the promise of a new day. By focusing on positive aspects right from the start, you set a positive tone for the day ahead. Keep a gratitude journal. Dedicate a notebook specifically for this purpose. Each evening, write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be grand, simple joys like a kind word from a friend or a beautiful sunset can be immensely fulfilling. Over time, this practice trains your mind to notice and appreciate the good in your life. Express your gratitude to others. Don't keep your appreciation to yourself. Tell the people around you that you're grateful for them. Whether it's a thank you note, a kind word, or a small gesture, expressing gratitude strengthens your relationships and fosters a positive environment. Practice mindful gratitude. Take a moment to pause and breathe. Close your eyes and focus on what you're grateful for. Visualize these positive elements in your mind. Mindful gratitude helps you stay present and deeply connected to the moment, reducing stress and increasing happiness. Be grateful for challenges. It might sound counterintuitive, but try to appreciate the obstacles you face. Challenges teach us valuable lessons, build resilience, and often lead to personal growth. By viewing difficulties through a lens of gratitude, you transform adversity into opportunity. Appreciate the small things. Life is full of little wonders that we often overlook. The sound of laughter, the beauty of nature, the comfort of a loved one's touch. These small moments make life rich and meaningful. By noticing and appreciating these tiny blessings, you cultivate a constant state of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can transform your life. It shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, bringing you joy, peace, and fulfillment. By practicing gratitude daily, you align yourself with positivity and resilience, helping you get ahead of 98% of people who might still be chasing happiness in all the wrong places. Here is the number 4 point: is mindfulness practices. Today we'll explore one of its core principles: living in accordance with nature. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy founded in Athens, teaches us to align our lives with nature. But what does that truly mean? Living in accordance with nature means understanding and respecting the natural order of the world. It's about recognizing that we are a part of nature, not separate from it. This principle guides us to live in harmony with the universe and our own human nature. First, let's talk about aligning with our own nature. Stoicism teaches us to know ourselves deeply. This involves understanding our strengths and weaknesses, our desires and fears, and our true purpose. Self-reflection is key. Take time each day to reflect on your actions and intentions. Journaling can be a powerful tool for this practice. Ask yourself, am I acting in line with my true nature? Am I fulfilling my potential? We must align with the external world. This involves accepting the things we cannot change. The Stoics believed that much of our suffering comes from trying to control the uncontrollable. Instead, focus on what you can influence: your own actions and attitudes. Practice kindness and compassion. Recognize that every person you meet is part of the same natural world and deserves respect and empathy. This fosters a sense of community and interconnectedness. Live sustainably. Consider how your actions affect the environment. Stoicism encourages us to be mindful of our consumption and to live in a way that is respectful to the earth. Small changes like reducing waste and conserving energy contribute to a healthier planet. Embrace simplicity. The natural world thrives in simplicity and balance. By minimizing excess and focusing on what truly matters, we can lead more fulfilling lives. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Does this add value to my life? Lastly, stay present. Nature exists in the now, not in the past or future. Mindfulness helps us stay grounded and connected to the present moment. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and spending time in nature can enhance our mindfulness. Living in accordance with nature is about finding balance and harmony within ourselves and the world around us. It's a journey of self-discovery, acceptance, and mindful living. By embracing this Stoic principle, we can cultivate a deeper sense of peace, purpose, and connection. Remember, you are a part of this vast, beautiful universe. Live in harmony with it, and you will thrive. Here is the number 5 point, is mindfulness practices. Today we focus on one of the most profound principles of this ancient philosophy. Seek wisdom. Wisdom is more than just knowledge. It's the ability to apply that knowledge in a meaningful way, to make sound decisions, and to live a life with your values. In the words of Seneca, it is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Seeking wisdom means making the most of every moment, every experience. The Stoic philosophers dedicated their lives to the pursuit of wisdom. They understood that true wisdom comes from a combination of knowledge, reflection, and action. So, how can we seek wisdom in our own lives? Here are some pinpoint strategies to guide you on this path. First, immerse yourself in the works of great thinkers. Read widely and deeply. Books are reservoirs of knowledge, offering insights from those who have walked this path before us. Second, practice reflection. Take time each day to ponder what you've learned, how you've applied it, and how it aligns with your values. Journaling can be a powerful tool for this. Third, seek out diverse perspectives. Engage in meaningful conversations with others. Listen more than you speak, and be open to learning from every interaction. Fourth, embrace silence and solitude. In a world filled with noise, taking time to be alone with your thoughts can lead to profound insights. Fifth, apply what you've learned. Wisdom isn't just about knowing, it's about doing. Put your insights into practice and learn from the outcomes. Sixth, set clear goals for your personal development. Identify areas where you want to grow and make a plan to pursue knowledge in those areas. Finally, share your wisdom. Teach others, mentor those who are on their own journeys, and contribute to your community. Wisdom grows when it is shared. By seeking wisdom, we embark on a journey of continuous growth and fulfillment. As we cultivate wisdom, we not only enhance our own lives but also inspire and uplift those around us. Remember, the pursuit of wisdom is a lifelong endeavor, and every step we take brings us closer to living a life of purpose and meaning. Here is the number 6 point, is mindfulness practices. Welcome to the journey of cultivating virtue. At the heart of Stoic philosophy lies the concept of virtue, not just as a moral ideal, but as a practical guide for living a fulfilling life. Virtue, as understood by the Stoics, encompasses wisdom, the ability to discern what is within our control and what is not. It requires the courage to face our fears and challenges, to act with integrity even when the path ahead seems daunting. Justice, the commitment to fairness and equity, guides our actions towards benefiting society as a whole, not just ourselves. And temperance, the moderation of desires and impulses, allows us to find balance in all aspects of our lives. By cultivating these virtues, we not only become better individuals but also contribute positively to the world around us. Through introspection, practice, and a commitment to self-improvement, we can align our actions with our values and lead a life of purpose and fulfillment. Here is the number 7 point, is mindfulness practices. Welcome to the world of mindfulness and presence. In this fast-paced society, it's easy to get swept away by the pressures of daily life. But by cultivating mindfulness, you can learn to stay grounded and present in the moment, no matter what challenges come your way. Mindfulness is about more than just sitting in silence. It's about actively engaging with the world around you, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. One powerful tool in the practice of mindfulness is conscious breathing. By taking slow, deliberate breaths, you can anchor yourself in the present moment and calm your mind. Movement can also be a form of mindfulness, whether it's through yoga, tai chi, or simply going for a walk in nature. Moving your body mindfully can help you connect with your surroundings and quiet the chatter of the mind. Another way to cultivate mindfulness is through journaling and gratitude practices. By reflecting on your experiences and expressing gratitude for the blessings in your life, you can foster a sense of contentment and appreciation for the present moment. In a world that's constantly pulling us in a million different directions, mindfulness offers a refuge, a way to come home to ourselves and find peace amidst the chaos. So take a deep breath, quiet your mind, and embrace the beauty of the present moment. Your journey to mindfulness starts now. Here is the number 8 point is mindfulness practices. In life, challenges are inevitable. It's not about avoiding them, but about how we respond. Welcome to our journey into the heart of resilience and adaptability. Resilience is the anchor that keeps us steady amidst life's storms. It's the ability to bounce back when the waves of adversity crash upon us. It's about facing obstacles head-on, navigating through the twists and turns, knowing that every setback is an opportunity for growth. Resilience is not just about endurance, it's also about strength. It's about building mental fortitude, developing the muscles of resilience through every challenge. Adaptability is the wings that allow us to soar to new heights. It's the willingness to embrace change, to transform ourselves in the face of uncertainty. It's about being like the captain of a ship, adjusting the sails when the winds of change shift direction, always steering towards our destination. Adaptability is also about learning and growth. It's about being open to new experiences, acquiring new knowledge, and evolving into the best version of ourselves. Resilience and adaptability are not just traits, they're virtues. They're what separate those who merely survive from those who thrive. So, as you journey through life, remember, cultivate resilience, embrace adaptability, and watch as you not only weather the storms but emerge stronger and more resilient than ever before. Here is the number 9 point is mindfulness practices. In a world filled with distractions and constant noise, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. But amidst the chaos, there exists a timeless wisdom that beckons us to find our purpose and discover meaning in every moment. Purpose and meaning are not elusive concepts reserved for the few. They are the guiding stars that illuminate our path, offering clarity and direction in a world of uncertainty. Finding purpose begins with introspection, with a journey inward to uncover what truly ignites our soul. It's about identifying our values, passions, and what brings us a deep sense of fulfillment. Yet, purpose is not merely about self-gratification. It's about how we contribute to the greater good, how our actions ripple outwards to touch the lives of others. Meaning, on the other hand, transcends the individual. It's about connecting with something greater than ourselves, whether it be nature, spirituality, or a cause that resonates with our soul. Through purpose and meaning, we find resilience in the face of adversity, courage in times of doubt, and a profound sense of fulfillment that transcends the fleeting pleasures of material pursuits. So, as we navigate the complexities of life, let us remember to seek purpose in every action, to infuse meaning into every moment, and to walk this journey with intentionality and grace. In the pursuit of purpose and meaning, we discover the true essence of what it means to be alive, to leave a legacy of love, compassion, and authenticity that echoes through eternity. Here is the number 10 point is mindfulness practices. As the sun sets on another day, and the world fades into darkness, let us remember that purpose and meaning are the guiding stars that illuminate our path. In the vast expanse of the universe, amidst the chaos and uncertainty, our purpose shines as a beacon of hope, guiding us towards a brighter tomorrow. So as you embark on your journey, may you walk with purpose in your heart and meaning in your soul. For in the pursuit of these timeless truths, you will find the richness and depth of life itself. Discover your purpose, live with meaning, and let your light shine bright in the infinite tapestry of existence.